Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the track selected and editor open. Make sure your audio region is isolated so edits won't affect other takes. Click the editor button, then enable Flex Pitch. This analyzes pitch data so you can edit notes visually. Once done, zoom into the region until individual note blobs are clear. This makes precise edits faster. If the file is noisy, apply a light noise gate first to avoid false pitch blobs. This helps Garageband detect the correct pitch centers for accurate adjustments. You'll now edit individual blobs to change pitch cleanly. Click a blob and drag vertically to move it by semitones. Drag slightly for sense level correction. Use the fine-tune control when you need micro adjustments. This prevents stepping artifacts. Once you've moved notes, use quantize pitch to snap them to the closest scale degree if you want a tuned sound. Make sure to check transitions between adjacent notes and reduce pitch drift and excessive vibrato, so the result sounds natural rather than robotic. Finish by listening to the entire phrase in context and use bypass to compare the tuned version with the original. This shows whether you overcorrected. Once satisfied, apply subtle compression or reverb to glue the voice back into the mix. If you hear artifacts like warbling or digital glitches, undo the largest pitch shifts and reduce correction amount. Make smaller, incremental edits instead. If artifacts persist, re-record the passage with a steadier performance or better mic technique to avoid pushing flex pitch beyond its limit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.